Today I'm telling you how you can clear your exam B1 till B1 exam is 6 months. For the clearing any exam regarding related to the language, you need a vocabulary and grammar. So, uh, so there is a timetable. For 2 months, learn vocabulary and grammar. From the third month, you will start your solving model test paper. Okay, and till the exam date, you will solve that model test paper. The question is how you will learn your vocabulary and your grammar. Um, First, start learning vocabulary from A1. Complete A1 vocabulary in 10 days. Why I'm telling it's hard to remember all the vocabulary in 10 days. But see, if you are paying attention on one thing, no matter how you are learning, until you are not revising that thing, it will not fit you in your brain. Same thing, same the rule, follow the same rule. Learn the vocabulary superficially and put that thing in the repetition mode. Learn A1 vocabulary in 10 days, learn B2 A2 vocabulary in 10 days, and B1 vocabulary in 10 days. In 1 month, you will learn the means normal basic vocabulary. Okay, from the next month means second month, start solving grammar part. Same format. Even what chapter, what grammar come, solve that grammar. First understand what is the rule, then find out the exercises in ChatGPT. On ChatGPT you can solve, you can ask explanation why it is that. By this you make your base strong. Till B1 you can, in 30 days you can do more than 40 topics. Okay, so this is the main important task, make learning the vocabulary and understanding the grammar. From the third month you are solving the model test paper. That's most important thing. When you solve the model test paper, is like uh, a model test paper help you to deliver tips and tricks to crack the exam, and that's what we want. So whatever you learn, like vocabulary and grammar, now this is the time to implement your vocabulary and your grammar in the exam. So you will care about how you revise your grammar and your vocabulary, so don't worry. In take B1, there are Sprague Bauschen part in lesson. In there, you have to use your knowledge to solve the Sprague Bauschen in grammar part. They give the three options. In that three option, you need to choose which one is correct. And in lesson part, you have to understand. You have to understand the paragraph. Okay, if you know the vocabulary, then you are able to understand the paragraph, what paragraph is saying, and according to that you are have the question to solve. That's how we can do, and that's the most important thing.